Already we knew this transistor has the ability to amplify any electric signal. But now our concentration is whether this transistor can properly amplify or not. We know this transistor can amplify, but now the question is whether this transistor can properly amplify or not. The proper amplification is definitely depending upon the proper biasing. What is this proper biasing? What is biasing? Giving an external supply. In this we have given two batteries. We have used two biasings. This battery is keeping the base emitter junction forward biased, and this battery is keeping collector junction reverse biased. Now in order to make the proper output, the biasing should be proper. The emitter junction should be forward biased and the base collector junction should be reverse biased. Whatever may be the condition, the biasing should not change. Then only the transistor can amplify properly. For example, if the point is here, operating point is here, then both the junctions are forward biased. This is not a proper biasing. I am selecting the operating point here, then both the junctions are reverse biased. This is not the proper operating point. I have selected operating point here, yes. One is forward biased, second one is reverse biased. Even though the transistor has the ability to amplify, without proper biasing, it will not amplify. Even though the fire has the ability to cook the food, if you do not use properly the fire to cook the food, there is no guarantee that the food will be cooked always. If you keep the some vessel very far away from fire, where the fire cannot reach the vessel, we cannot ensure that the fire is cooking the particular dish. Similarly, even though the transistor, there is no doubt transistor can amplify, but only the question is whether you have biased properly or not. You have to check. If you are not getting the amplified signal, no, transistor is not working. First you have to check. If the transistor is properly working, then you have to ensure that whether it is properly biased or not. If it is properly biased, then only you will get the very good, faithful amplified signal.